What's up guys, DJ out here. So I don't think I would ever be saying this, but this is a trigger warning because this video does talk about some sensitive topics, and if you might get kind of disturbed by these, I recommend you go watch something else or another clip. That's all I have to say. Enjoy the clip.
Timcast.com breaking. Actually, I need to play the thing again. We have breaking news here. The Supreme Court has voted to overturn Roe v. Wade, according to leaked draft opinion. We hold that Roe and Casey must be overruled. Justice Samuel Alito wrote in the draft of the majority opinion. So let's see here. They're expected to overturn abortion rights according to leaked draft of an opinion posted online. So it doesn't necessarily mean that this is going to be the final ruling. Also, some have questioned the legitimacy of the draft, but right now it seems like the general consensus is that it's legit. Let's see here. The draft was authored by Justice Samuel Alito, who called abortion a profound moral issue. The document's dated for circulation on February 10th. So this is older. So this is not even like the most recent one. It's like 3 months old. Indicates that the court has moved to strike down both Roe v. Wade and 1992 Planned Parenthood v. Casey. Says the Constitution makes no reference to abortion and no such right implicitly. Oh, let's go. The Constitution makes no reference to abortion, and no such right is implicitly protected by any constitutional provision, including the one on which the defenders of Roe v. Wade now chiefly relied, the Due Process Clause of the 14th Amendment. Let's see here. Politico, which published a report which is dated in February of 2022, describes statements as a full-throated, unflinching repudiation of the 1973 decision which guaranteed federal constitutional protections of abortion rights. Let's see here. So it says here Politico basically did an audit. They checked to see whether or not this was legit, and they found that this was indeed legitimate before moving forward with publishing it. Let's see, what else do we have here? The court's decision comes as a result of its ruling on Dobbs versus Jackson, Women's Health Clinic, which challenges Mississippi's ban on abortion after 15 weeks of pregnancy. Oh, that's interesting. Let's see here. Constitution does not prohibit the citizens of each state from regulating or prohibiting abortion. Nice. Roe and Casey arrogated, I don't know what that word is, that authority. We now overrule those decisions and return that authority to the people and their elected representatives. I know. I wonder if it's the Supreme Court ruling or me streaming, but both I think are good occasions. This is very, very exciting. This is very, very cool. So they're not even saying. So they're going beyond saying this is not a privacy issue, because I think that's what it was initially established as. They're now specifically saying this is. They're saying that there's a constitutional right to something that it actually isn't in the Constitution. That's a really strong case. And very, 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 very cool.
Pizza
Very, very, very cool.
Chat.
Very exciting.
Ruby streaming has made my day.
Very cool. I appreciate it. DJLL earlier in the chat had said banning abortion. I don't know, in my opinion. I'm strongly for it because abortion terminates, kills a human being. Fetuses are human beings. They have their own DNA. They end up having their own heartbeats, nervous systems. To legitimize abortion really gets into ableism, saying that just because you have or haven't developed to a certain degree, because whether or not you're alive, that's settled. That's what makes an abortion abortion. The thing is, are you?
Some of y'all be slowing down and only making steps. My life's like a movie, cause it's clip after clip after clip after